Hi, I'm Nandana, a BSc Psychology student from Lisa College, Calicut. So today I'm going to talk about one of the greatest philosophers in Europe who was also known as the father of liberalism, John Locke. John Locke was born on 29th August 1632 at Brenton in England. He was an English philosopher and physician, widely regarded as one of the most influential Enlightenment thinkers and commonly known as the father of liberalism. Considered one of the first of the British empires, following the tradition of Sir Francis Bacon, Locke is equally important to social contract theory. His work greatly affected the development of epistemology and political philosophy. His writings influenced many Scottish Enlightenment thinkers as well as American revolutionaries. His contribution to classical republicanism and liberal theories are reflected in the United States Declaration of Independence. Classical republicanism, also known as civic republicanism or civil humanism, is a form of republicanism developed in the Renaissance inspired by the government reforms and writings of classical antiquities, especially such as classical writers as Aristotle, Polybius, and Cicero. Classical republicanism is built around concepts such as civil society, civic virtue, and mixed government. The next one is liberalism. It is a political and moral philosophy based on the liberty constant of the government and equality before the law. Liberals espouse a wide array of views depending on their understanding of the principle, but they generally support free market, free trade, limited government. Individual rights include civil rights and human rights, then capitalism, democracy, secularism, gender equality, racial equality, internationalism, freedom of speech, freedom of press, and freedom of religion. Yellow is a political color most commonly associated with liberalism. Liberals also ended mercantilist policies, royal monopolies, and other barriers to trade, instead promoting free trade and free market. Philosopher John Locke is often credited with founding liberalism as a distinct tradition based on the social contract, arguing that each man has the natural right to life, liberty, and property, and the government must not violate these rights. While the British liberal tradition has emphasized expanding democracy, French liberalism has emphasized rejecting authoritarianism and is linked to nation building. Locke's theory of mind is often cited as the original conceptions of identity and self figuring prominently in the work of later philosophers. Locke was the first to define that the self through a continuity of consciousness. He postulated that at birth the mind was a blank slate or tabula rasa. He maintained that we are born without innate ideas and that knowledge is instead determined only by experience derived from sense perception, a concept now known as empirism, demonstrating the ideology of science in his observation, whereby something must be capable of being tested repeatedly and nothing is exempt from being disproved. Locke stated that whatever I write, as soon as I discover it is not to be true, my hand shall be the forwardest to throw it into the fire. Such one is the example of Locke's belief in empirism. Locke's theory of association heavily influenced the subject matter of modern psychology. Association is the idea that mental processes are operated by the association of one mental state with its successor states. It holds that all mental processes are made up of discrete psychological elements and their combinations, which are believed to be made up of sensation or symbol feelings. In philosophy, this idea is viewed as the outcome of empiricism and sensationism. The concept encompasses a psychological theory as well as comprehensive philosophical foundation and scientific methodology. Then Locke's major works are A Letter Concerning Toleration in 1689, then Two Treatises of Government in 1689, an essay concerning human understanding in 1690, Some Thought Concerning Education in 1693. Locke never married or had children. On 28th October 1704, he passed away. That was all about John Locke. I hope this video was useful to you, and thanks for watching.